Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use your Microsoft Surface Studio Laptop 2 as a monitor for another PC. So one important requirement for this feature to work properly is that both devices has to be Windows PCs with Wi-Fi support and using Windows 10 or 11. And to enable this feature, you're gonna have to go to the Start menu and then open Settings on your Surface laptop. After that, go to System and first of all check whether you have the wireless display feature installed. You can find it in Optional Features. Simply click View Features, then click Yes. And then here you should be able to find wireless display feature. If you have it on the list, that means that you don't have to prepare, but if you don't, just click See Available Features and then search for wireless display, and once you find it, select it and download it. Wait until it's installed, then you can close this window, go back to System and then select Projecting to this PC. Now here you're gonna have to change this value to Available Everywhere or Everywhere on Secure Networks. And if you want to project to your PC when it's not plugged in to a power source, switch this toggle off. After that, on your other Windows device, you're gonna have to press the combination of Windows K and select your Microsoft Surface right here on the list. Now, if you don't see your device on the list, then you have to make sure that both laptops are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And if they're not, then connect them both to the same Wi-Fi network. Then press Windows K and wait until your Surface appears on the list. Sometimes it actually takes a while for your device to become recognizable by other devices. And then you'll be able to select, once you select your device right here, you'll be able to connect to it and start projecting to it. To adjust your projection type on another device, you're going to have to press Windows P combination of keys and select one of the projection types. So as you can see, we have the duplicate mode, extend mode, or second screen only mode, which will basically switch your main display to Surface's monitor. On your Surface, you will have a separate window opened with the projection, and if you want to stop the projection, you either have to close this window on your Surface laptop or press Windows K combination of keys on your other device and click Stop Projection at the bottom. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.